Good evening. I'm Dave Greenbaum with Dr. Dave Computer Repair. It's Security Sunday, where I share with you tips, tricks, and warnings to keep you safe on the internet. I've got a few interesting ones this week. Number one is a scam you should be aware of, that as we all ramp up wanting to get the vaccine for COVID-19, as it should be kind of obvious, there are probably some scams going around, and the latest scam is to get you on a list for the vaccine. Now, as a general rule, that's going to be through the health department, and you're probably going to have to initiate contact. So if you get an unsolicited message somehow asking you for information, it's a good idea to check with the health department on that. It could be a text message. It could be something where you're paying to get on a list. Now, that being said, I do know that the Douglas County Health Department, if your employer is set to offer you the vaccine, they will text you, but it will not be something asking for a lot of information. They will already have certain information. And when in doubt, it's always best to check with the source on that. So if you suspect it's through your employer, you can find out from them whether the information is legit or not. The other thing is, as we know with the events of the past week in Washington, D.C., I am reminding people that physical security is as important as cybersecurity. As we heard about things coming out, people that left their laptops logged into email or laptops that were stolen, I do remind people that we get so excited about passwords and viruses and all that. People leave their laptops in cars. People go ahead and leave their computers logged in at night at work. Stuff like that. Probably the best example I had was a client that we had a long conversation about security, and they were very concerned about their records and their files. And we were sitting in front of a plate glass window in their house that you could see the computer and all the information. So, well, cyber security is very important, and I'll always push for that. Never forget physical security, making sure that your laptop is in your possession. You know, if you're at a coffee shop, or again, we see especially people leaving them out in cars, and those are just waiting to be stolen. Even if it is a bag, people know what those laptops bags are. So I'm Dave Greenbaum with Dr. Dave Computer Repair, and that's my Security Sunday.